We're inside the Burj Khalifa construction site.
Today, we build history.
This place feels massive.
Every beam matters.
Wow, look at you go. How does this machine work?
This is the tower's foundation.
That crane looks dangerous.
Move slowly. Keep it steady.
The sparks look incredible.
Safety always comes first.
So everything is controlled here?
Every floor starts from this room.
You still have energy?
Construction never stops.
The view is unbelievable. This looks intense.
Stay behind the safety line.
We're going so high.
Almost to the top.
This teamwork is amazing.
Together, we build faster. Steady on the lift. Perfect alignment. Hold it. These changes look good.
You're all incredible. One day this tower will touch the sky.
Burj Khalifa!